We'll guide you through how to download and install WhatsApp on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. WhatsApp is one of the most popular communication apps out there. It's great because it works over the internet. You can go and message, call, and it's really great. And you can go and use it on different devices and contact people with it who have different devices as well. To get started, open up the App Store on your iPhone. As you can see, it's just this one here. You can always drag down and search for it if you struggle to find it. Head to the bottom right and you need to go and find the search and tap there. Then go to the top and you can tap on the search bar. What you want to do is go and type in WhatsApp, like so. Then what you can do is go and search for it. Now, what you need to do is come down and go and find WhatsApp Messenger. Go to the right here, and for me, it's got this cloud icon. You are likely going to have Get if you haven't gone and had it before, and you can then go and click on it to the right, or click on it and click on the cloud icon. It's now going to go and begin downloading. It shouldn't go and take too long, as you can see, but it will ultimately depend upon the speed of your internet. You can press open there, but when you go and close the App Store, you should be able to go and see it on your app pages. Of course, you can always drag down and search for it. Tap on it like so, and it will go and open up. Now, the first time you go and get it, I'm just going to go and give it access to these different things here, like my contacts. I'm going to go and set back up to weekly. Now, the first time you go and get WhatsApp, you'll need to go through the setup process. So essentially what you need to do is you need to go and enter in your phone number. And then what you can do is you can go and set your name, profile picture, and go and get using it. Make sure you go and give it access to things like your contacts, as I did. I'm just going to press allow full access. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.